Hi, I'm Joane Chamberlain, physical therapist and master manual therapist, and I'd like you to follow me on my YouTube channel, Joane Chamberlain, and view the video entitled "The Exercises on this DVD Will Relieve Your Low Back Pain" before viewing this video. Now, I just got Sean off the treatment table where I leveled and stabilized her pelvis, and you can see as I come over the top of her iliac crest here, her pelvis is nice and level, and that's where we want it to stay in order to be pain-free. So what I'm going to have her do now is bend over at the waist and show you what it does to her pelvis when she does that. Okay, now she's bending, and she's bending at the waist, but she's also bending her knees a little bit and picking up this very light towel. And I'm going to show you what happens to her pelvis when she does that. So let's take a look. So you can see what happened here is that when she bent over and came back up, the latissimus dorsi muscles pulled that left side backwards, causing the tipping of her pelvis. So let's fix it now. So she's doing a left side bend stretch, stretching her left quadratus lumborum muscle, which goes from the top of her pelvis here to the bottom rib. And now she's going to correct that unstable pelvis position. So she's holding the side bend stretch for a good 20 seconds, stretching the left quadratus lumborum muscle, the one that's pulling the left side of her pelvis out of alignment. And let's take a look and see what happened to her pelvis after stretching. And you can see after stretching that muscle, her pelvis is nice and level and stable, which is where we want her to be. So now we're going to have her try it again, this time squatting straight down, keeping her shoulders up. And we'll check to see what happened to her pelvis after she squatted correctly. Let's take a look here. And we can see that now her pelvis is nice and level and stable, and that's how you're going to create a pain-free life. Forward bending at the waist causes the foundation of the spine to tip. This in turn causes increased low back pain, increased risk of herniated discs, and spinal damage. Go to my website and order the DVD, The Missing Link to Neck and Back Pain Relief, to create a pain-free, healthy spine.